Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming what history you'll delete and why, browser tabs, search logs, or app activity. Once signed into the right account, turn off sync to prevent immediate re-upload. Open the browser or system settings and go straight to privacy or history. This puts you in the correct control panel. Make sure to export bookmarks or save credentials you'll need later so deletion is irreversible for the data you don't want to lose. Now you perform the detailed removal. Pick a time range that fits your goal because deleting all time versus recent entries has different effects. Check boxes for history, cached images, cookies, and form data to fully clear traces. Cookies often keep you logged in, so proceed deliberately. For site-specific cleanup, use the advanced or site settings to remove a single domain. Once done, review device sync settings to stop deletions from propagating unintentionally to other devices, if that wasn't intended. Finish by restarting the browser or device to ensure session tokens and in-memory caches are purged. This often completes the process. Make sure to re-enable sync only after verifying that all devices reflect your intended history state, because resync can restore entries. If entries persist, clear DNS and application caches, remove cookies for problem sites, or revoke permissions for apps that track activity. If that still fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.